Hey guys, and welcome back to a YouTube video. I hope you guys are having a great day today because I had boba today and boba's very pog. But anyways, this is going into the same set of like pre-recorded content that I always do. So if my clothes look the same, the emotes I'm drawing looks the same, yeah, that's why. But in today's video, I'm going to be going into a huge, very common comment that I get under a lot of my videos when I am recommending to people that they should go and use TikTok and other social media to grow their streams. A lot of comments always say, I don't know what content to make because I'm not unique. Also, I hope you guys like my little Halloween froggies. It's literally for Halloween, and they're gonna be on my Etsy shop, and probably by the time you see this video, they should be done. At least, I'm gonna be finishing it literally this stream. So, in 45 minutes. So, if I don't finish it by the time this video is uploaded, I definitely did something wrong. Anyways, that being said, the most common comment I get every time I tell people that they should go make TikTok videos is, I'm not unique. Yeah. Of course your ideas aren't unique. Given how much content is on the internet and how much content has been made, there's almost no unique idea left. It's honestly extremely rare to have a unique idea or anything unique for that matter, and you don't need to be unique. And that's another big misconception. Oh, I should have added that to the other misconception video, but it's another misconception that a lot of streamers, content creators have. They think they need to make the newest type of content, a type of content that's never ever seen before, that they can't be doing what other people do. And that is completely false. And that is a completely misconstrued conception that people have, or content creators have. You don't need to be unique. You don't need to be the only person that's doing this type of content. Well, first off, just don't steal people's content. That's no bueno, right? Think about supermarkets, dude. There are so many different brands of stores and supermarkets, Walmarts, Targets, Safeways, and Dronios. There's a bajillion different supermarkets. There's a bajillion different brands of bottled water, like Dasani, Fiji, Aqua something or other, right? I don't even remember the name of it. Voss. There's so many different brands of bottled water, and yet they're all in business. Coke and Pepsi are pretty much the same thing, but yeah, why are both billion-dollar companies? You don't need to be unique in terms of making content. You just need to be doing something slightly different or slightly better than other people, right? I stream Valorant and art. Neither of those are unique games. I was a League of Legends streamer before I was a Valorant streamer. I'm streaming extremely oversaturated games, right? I'm not unique in terms of my rank. I am bronze 2 right now. In League, I peak gold 2. So, I mean, that put me in the top 25%, I guess. But still, top 25% isn't even good enough in terms of uniqueness. No one's gonna watch me based on my skill, right? In terms of art, I'm okay. I'm decent. Look at the frog, right? But I'm not amazing. I'm not the next I was about to say Leonardo DiCaprio. What the heck? Dude. Sorry. He's my kind of, Hollywood crush. Anyways, I'm not the next, major artist, the next Picasso, none of that, right? I'm decent. I'm decent, okay at Valorant, not really. It's passable, decent at art. I'm not unique in either of these. I do streaming advice. I still have things go wrong in my stream too. All the time. There's things I don't know how to fix also, mainly my audio, right? None of these are unique things. But I just take them and package them in my own way, and that is how I built my community. And that's how I got people to go watch me, right? Nothing I do is unique. Nothing the next person is doing is unique. Unless you are utterly breaking speed run records, your content is probably not going to be unique because it's almost impossible to be unique. And that is another big misconception that streamers have. You don't need to be unique, okay? You just need to be slightly different or slightly better than the next person that's doing something. And a big thing too is, what value do you provide to other people? Your value is what determines whether people would watch you or not, and why people would go and watch you over somebody else. What value do you provide to others? It could be educational. It could be good gameplay. And this is on a slight tangent, but good gameplay as an inherent value you provide to other people is generally not applicable to most people, right? Good gameplay isn't a key value of your stream unless you're in like the top 5% of a game, in my opinion. If you're not in the top 5% of a game, your gameplay could still provide value, but it should not be the only thing you focus on. And that is a big misconception. A lot of streamers do this thing where they think that, oh, haha, I'm like decent ranked, I guess, so that's all I need. I can just sit here and not talk and play the game and people will watch me. And I hate to break it to you, man, but gold, plat, even diamond isn't high enough for you to justify sitting around not talking and only playing the game. That is not enough value, right? You need to provide more. But you can just pick a couple of things of value that you provide to other people. For me personally, education, right? I, make really random meme comments and whatever, but also education, decent art, that's that, right? For one thing of value you could provide is looks. And that's something that some people can't provide. They're just very good looking. And you get happy by looking at pretty people. It's just a psychological thing. So that is one thing of value. It also, again, you shouldn't focus on only one point of value you provide to other people, right? The more value you provide to something, the better it is, right? If you're good looking, that's a point of value right there. But if you're good looking and good at a game, holy crap, then you already you've already blown out of the park. You already do two different things of value for people. The more things of value you can provide, the more people will come in to go and watch you. A great personality, if you're very funny. There's so many different things, right, that you can do that can provide value to other people. Do you just make people feel good inside when they come into your stream? You give them happiness, it boosts the serotonin. That's a good thing alone too, right? You just need to go find these points of value you can provide to other people. And that is what will make you unique, with an asterisk. It's not something that's completely brand new as a concept, right? There's a lot of pretty people out there. There's a lot of people who are Immortal or Radiant and Valorant. There's there's a couple thousand people that are in the top, that are Grandmaster in League of Legends. There's at least a couple thousand. Okay, so they're not unique, necessarily speaking, right? But still, as long as you pick a couple of things that you do pretty well, and you use those and you capitalize on it and you help provide value to other people, that's what's going to make you unique. And if you say, oh, I have nothing of value to provide to other people, then go learn, right? Go teach yourself something of value that you can go provide to other people, right? Figure out what it is first off. Do you want to make people feel better when they come into your stream, right? Kind of listen to some psychology podcasts on, how to go and talk to people, how to make people feel good about themselves. Because that's a really big one, right? But you should have at least something you can go provide to other people. And if you genuinely think that there is nothing you can provide to other people that is worth of value, then this is a harsh truth. But if there is nothing you can provide to people of value, then why should people watch your stream? Right? And it's just a hard truth. Somebody's got to tell you, right? Don't hate the messenger, hate the message. Hate the person who sent the message, But it's just a fact. People aren't going to watch your YouTube videos. People aren't going to watch your streams. They're not going to follow your content unless you give them a reason to. So with some time, with some effort, you can definitely build up that reason. You can go and find value you can go provide to other people. Find a hobby that you're interested in, and you can go and stream that hobby. If you're interested in crafting, you can go stream that. You don't even have to be good at it too, right? Another value that you can provide to people is being relatable. And one person that I know, He literally streams himself learning art, right? Because it's relatable. Other people who are learning art too would love to go and follow along with his journey. So you don't even need to be good at doing anything, right? Like, as long as you can provide that value of relatability, you would still, people would love to go and follow along with you. You just got to figure out what makes you go and stand out, because there definitely is at least something. And I genuinely believe that everybody has at least something of value they can go and teach or provide somebody else. A life experience, some humor, something or other, but everyone has something that makes them unique. And that's literally why there are so many different types of people on this earth. It's literally because of that. I genuinely believe that everyone has something that they can go and put onto somebody else that would go and make their day and stuff like that. And you can find your community. And no matter how niche this interest of yours is, I guarantee you there will be other people interested. That's just how it works. You could literally be interested in underwater basket weaving. There's probably going to be a community out there for it. There's a reason why there's like a bajillion subreddits on Reddit for like the most obscure things. Because if you're interested in it, guaranteed there's going to be other people also interested in the same thing. And you will find your community, no matter how niche it is. I genuinely believe it will happen. And you can make it work too. You just got to put in some effort. I was gonna figure out, like, I was gonna say the Japanese word for like go. Is it like gambare or something? Oh god, I'm gonna get dragged for this. I'm sorry, I'm Chinese, I'm not Japanese. I don't know, I don't watch enough anime. But anyways, you got this. Good luck, guys. You can definitely do it. And if you like this video, I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. And I also stream on Twitch, so if you like me drawing, these emotes will be on Etsy, hopefully by the time this video is up. And you can go and follow me on Twitch to go see me draw my emotes and assets and etc. And I hope to catch you guys in another video. Dab.